Welcome back to Acer Showroom, your go-to channel for all things automotive. Today, we dive into the beast that never sleeps, the 2026 Nissan GT-R, a name that's been synonymous with speed, precision, and engineering excellence for over 5 decades. The latest GT-R doesn't just carry the torch, it refuels it with fire. Evolution of performance. The 2026 GT-R is more than just a facelift, it's a carefully calculated evolution. Under the hood lies a hand-assembled 3.8-litre twin-turbo V6 engine, now pushing out a jaw-dropping 600 horsepower in the Nismo variant. Nissan's engineers have fine-tuned the engine dynamics to improve throttle response, reduce turbo lag, and enhance overall torque delivery, especially in the mid-range. It's fast, scary fast, but still refined. Redesigned with purpose. The exterior design sees a sleeker, more aerodynamic form with a wider stance, sharper LED lighting, and subtle yet aggressive lines that scream track-ready. Nissan has focused heavily on reducing drag while increasing downforce, offering both better high-speed stability and a more commanding presence on the road. It's not just eye candy, every line has a function. A driver-focused interior. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cockpit that's as luxurious as it is functional. Premium Alcantara seats, carbon fiber accents, and a redesigned infotainment interface bring the GT-R into a more digital, modern age. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while the 11-speaker Bose sound system adds the perfect soundtrack to every adrenaline-pumping drive. Tech that keeps you in control. The 2026 GT-R continues to use Nissan's legendary Atessa ETS all-wheel drive system, but it's now more intelligent than ever. The system adapts to road conditions in real time, sending torque to the wheels that need it most. Paired with a revised 6-speed dual-clutch transmission and updated adaptive suspension, this GT-R feels as planted as a supercar, triple its price. Nismo Edition Track DNA. For those who want the ultimate experience, the GT-R Nismo returns with lighter body panels, carbon ceramic brakes, and a track-tuned suspension. The engine is tuned for maximum output, making it the most aggressive production GT-R to date. The difference is instantly noticeable both in sound and in performance. This is the version that blurs the line between road car and race car. The future of Godzilla. While rumors continue about the GT-R going hybrid or fully electric in the future, the 2026 version remains a celebration of pure combustion power. It may be one of the last of its kind, making it a collectible masterpiece in the eyes of enthusiasts. Nissan has hinted that this generation may be the swan song before major electrification hits. The 2026 Nissan GT-R isn't just a car, it's a living legend that's still evolving. Faster, smarter, and more refined than ever, it proves that Nissan still knows how to build an iconic performance machine. Whether you're a longtime fan or a new enthusiast, this car demands your attention. Thanks for watching Acer Showroom. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2026 GT-R, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most exciting machines. Until next time, keep the engines roaring.